Hello my dear friends, welcome back to CSCR at home. In this video we can study about vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Vitamin B1 is otherwise known as anti-beriberi factor and anti-neurotic factor. Now we can study the RDA, that is recommended daily allowance of vitamin B1. It is 1 to 1.5 milligram per day. RDA depend on calorie intake. That is 0.5 milligram of thiamine is needed if we are taking 1000 calories. 1 milligram for 2000 calories and 1.5 milligram for 3000 calories. Now we can check what are the sources of vitamin B1. Allurone layer of cereals. These are the rich source of vitamin B1. And another source is yeast. This thiamine is partially destroyed by heat. And when the grains are polished, this allurone layer is removed. Now we can study the biochemical functions. What are the biochemical functions of thiamine? The thiamine has a key role in energy yielding metabolism, especially in carbohydrate metabolism. Thiamine diphosphate. It is otherwise known as thiamine pyrophosphate. It acts as a coenzyme for 3 multi-enzyme complex that catalyze oxidative decarboxylation reactions. The thiamine pyrophosphate is act as a coenzyme. We can check which are the enzymes. First one is pyruvate dehydrogenase. Second one, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Third one, branched chain ketodehydrogenase. Branched chain ketodehydrogenase. These are the 3 enzymes in oxidative decarboxylation. Pyruvate dehydrogenase that convert pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A plus carbon dioxide. Then alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. It present in citric acid cycle where it convert alpha ketoglutarate into succinyl coenzyme A plus carbon dioxide. Then the branched chain keto acid dehydrogenase. The branched chain keto acid dehydrogenase involved in the metabolism of leucine, isoleucine and valine. Then this thiamine diphosphate, that is thiamine pyrophosphate, also act as a coenzyme for transketolase, where this transketolase involved pentose phosphate pathway. Then it is also involved in nerve conduction. That is, this thiamine pyrophosphate phosphorylate and activate chloride channels in nerve membrane. Thiamine deficiency. Thiamine deficiency affect nerve system and heart. And the disease is known as beriberi. What are the symptoms of beriberi? Weakness. That is the common symptom of beriberi. Weight loss, emotional disturbances and swelling. These are the symptoms of beriberi. Then the another type of beriberi is wet beriberi. Here it affects cardiovascular system. What are the symptoms? Fast heart rate, shortness of breath and leg swelling. These are the symptoms associated with wet beriberi. Here, in the case of wet beriberi, cardiovascular manifestations are predominant and breathlessness are observed in case of wet beriberi. And another type of wet beriberi is acute pernicious beriberi. It's a type of wet beriberi, but here this is acute cardiac form, more severe than wet beriberi. It is known as acute pernicious beriberi. Acute pernicious beriberi. It is also known as shoshine beriberi. This acute pernicious beriberi is a type of wet beriberi. It is known as shoshine beriberi. Shoshine It's a Japanese word, Shoshain-Berberi. What are the symptoms here? Heart failure and metabolic abnormalities. These symptoms occur without any peripheral neuritis. Heart failure and metabolic abnormalities are the symptoms of acute pernicious beriberi. It is otherwise known as Shoshain-Berberi. It is a type of wet beriberi. The next type of beriberi is dry beriberi. The third type, that is dry beriberi. This dry beriberi affects nervous system. Here, central nervous system manifestations are predominant. Trouble moving in legs, pain, and walking become difficult in the case of dry beriberi. Then, next one is Wernicke's encephalopathy. It is a type of dry beriberi. What's the name of the disease? Wernicke's encephalopathy. It's a type of dry beriberi. This is acute neurological condition. Dry beriberi affect nervous system. Wernicke's encephalopathy is severe than dry beriberi. Okay, it's a type of dry beriberi. Acute neurological condition. This one is. This is occurred in the case of alcohol and narcotic abuse. Wernicke's encephalopathy. The next type of dry beriberi is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. What is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome? It's a type of brain disorder. It is also known as cerebral beriberi because it is a type of brain disorder. That's why it is also known as cerebral beriberi. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome is otherwise known as cerebral beriberi. Okay, brain disorder. Here, this syndrome is actually a mixture of two separate conditions that occurs at the same time. Two syndromes occurs at the same time. That is Wernicke's encephalopathy and Korsakoff syndrome occurring at the same time. That type of disease is known as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Two diseases at the same time. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Wernicke's encephalopathy we studied. Okay. Then what is Korsakoff syndrome? Korsakoff syndrome is also due to thiamine deficiency. The symptoms associated with Korsakoff syndrome are memory disorder, confusion, and abnormal eye movement. What are the symptoms associated with Wernicke's encephalopathy? That is acute neurological conditions. Okay. Then we can study how this alcohol causes thiamine deficiency. How this alcohol misuse causes thiamine deficiency. Alcohol inhibits thiamine absorption. Alcohol inhibits intestinal absorption of thiamine. That leads to thiamine deficiency. So, if thiamine is not present, what happens? We have studied that thiamine acts as a coenzyme. That is thiamine pyrophosphate. And thiamine pyrophosphate is essential for the conversion of pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A. So, if thiamine is deficient, this pyruvate won't convert into acetyl coenzyme A. What is the result? Pyruvate and lactate increases in our plasma. That is, plasma concentration of pyruvate and lactate increases due to the impaired conversion of pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A. That is, pyruvate is almost not converted into acetyl coenzyme A. So, pyruvate and lactate in our plasma is increases. That lead to lactic acidosis. Lactic acidosis That is a life-threatening disease. Next type of beriberi is infantile beriberi. That is, if mother is suffering from thiamine deficiency, it affects the infants. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.